Because for us, one chapter consists of 3 to 4 exercises. First chapter, we completed 3 exercises.
Yes, ma'am.
So 3 lessons we cannot say. We should say chapter 1, over. Chapter 2, yes. Good morning, Pugalendi. Okay. Listen now. We are in the chapter of powers and exponents today. Very, very easy and very interesting chapter. The second chapter. So, in this chapter, what we will learn about? What is a base? What is an exponent? That and all we will be learning. N factor. How many times the number is repeated? Okay. Base and exponent will say. Then we'll say the example. Base A, exponent base B. Okay. Let us see the introduction part for the new chapter, powers and exponents. For example, if a number is there like this, A power n, if it is on the top, we call that as power. A power n, which can be written as, how this number can be written as A into A into A into A, keep on moving. That is, this number, how many times it is given, that many times this base is repeated. N factors means this many times. For example, a number is like this. If I take the bottom one is called as the base. Okay, here A is the base. In this example, 2 is the base. Exponent is n. Exponent means power. The another word for that is power. So power we can say, exponents we can say. What is that? Exponential form means writing in this form. Okay, this is called as the exponent. Now, yes, last grade, yeah, I know. I have only taken now. But you must have forgotten. So this is the base. Introduction part I need to tell. Then only we can move on to the exercise. I cannot say last year you learnt everything, let us go to the exercise. So this is the base. This is the exponent. Now, you are remembering, it's very good. So in this case, base is 2, exponent, the power is 4. It means that this number is repeated 4 times. The base number, don't write 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. The base number should be repeated how many times the power, that many times. So 4 times, so 4 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. If it is 10 times, 10 times should repeat. So that is what is that. If the power is a negative integer, we should make it positive and we should do the question. Always the power should be as a positive integer. Now, yes, first let me explain about the laws of exponents. These laws of exponents also we have seen last year, but this is important. These laws only we will be applying throughout the exercise. The first law, A power m. When I explain the law itself, I will give you an example. For that particular law, I will give you an example. Like that we will move. Okay, because if I keep on writing the laws, then keep on writing the examples, it won't be easy. This will be more easier. The first law, A power m multiplied by A power n. In this case, the base is same. A and A, the base is same. If it is so, and multiplication symbol is there in the middle, we need to add the power. powers must be added. This is the first law of exponents. For example, 7 power 3 multiplied by 7 power 2. Like this we will have. The bases are same. Yes, it is same. The powers must be added. First we should write the base. Base, one time the base should write. Okay, then 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? 5. 7 power 5. The number is in exponential form now. If it is asked to write in finding the value, find the value means the question, we have to write 7 5 times. 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 49, 49 are another 7. That many times we have to multiply and write the answer if it is asked in value. But here just I am giving example, so just exponential form. We will stop. So multiplication we want to do and in division we want to do minus. Yes, ma. Yes, correct. So if the multiplication symbol is there, this is what he is asking. Multiplication is there, powers need to be added. Don't add this. Base will be same, powers must be added. That is first law. Second law says what he just now told. Division symbol is there means minus or ma'am he asked. Yes. A power m minus n. These and all we studied last year. I remember, you remember. Still we will see a set of examples, then we will enter. A power m divides a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Division symbol is there. Powers needs to be subtracted. So same case, let us take here. Same example, let us take like this. Then 7 power 3 divides 7 power 2. What will be 7 power 3 minus 2? 7 power 1. Like this it will be. 7 power 1 is 7 only, one time writing. That is, we have to write in exponential form like this one. 7 power 1. So division symbol is there, negative. Yes, small recap only. Multiplication means addition symbol. These are the first two laws. Using the same example, we have seen that. Now, third law. A power m, the whole power n is equal to a power mn. So a power m, the whole power n. A power mn. In this case, 2 power, let us take an example, something like this. Example, 3 power 5, the whole power 4 is equal to the base 3. Here m and n should be multiplied. 5 4s are 20. 3 power 20. Base is 3. The power is 20. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 and so on. So this is the third law. Okay. Oh, 54 is coming, huh? More than that it will be. Exponent or correct power are not equal. We want to know multiplication or division. Exponents are equal. If the base is same, like that, bases are different, I will tell you now. The next law is that if the bases are different and the powers are same, for everything we have a law. Exponent are correct and the power are not equal. Yes. When in this case, the bases are different. A and B, both are different. Powers are same. So A multiplied by B, the whole power m. Bases are different, powers are same. In that case, for example, one is 2 power 3, another number is, let us keep 3 power 3. The power must be same, then only we can take the common power. If the number is like this, bases are different. Write the bases together. This 2 and 3 I wrote. Powers are same, so I wrote on the power. 2 3s are 6. 6 power 3. Exponential form, this is the answer. Value means 6 6 are 36, 36 6 will be the answer. Now this is the thing. So this is for this example. When the bases are different and the powers are same. This is the fourth law of exponent. Like this it will come. Next. These all the laws are given in your textbook. When you get your textbook, or if you have in your mobile phone the soft copy, or after getting the textbook, go through that. This law is also there. So, AB the whole power n. When the numbers are like this, AB the whole power. Now you don't ask by giving example. Listen to what I say. I will explain all the laws and examples, then we'll enter. AB the whole power n. This power belongs to both the numbers. A power n, B power n. So the whole power thing belongs to this power, belongs to both. Like that it is. Then A power this. These all are there in textbook examples also. We have 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 pages are there. Yes, division. That is also there. PQ the whole power 4. They have given in PQs only. P power 4, Q power 4. Like this, PQ. They can give in variables also. They have given an example like this. This power belongs to both. P power 4, Q power 4. Like this also. They can either give number or can give variable. Third law, Fazil is asking. Third law, A power m, the whole power n is equal to A power mn. When the bracket is there, the powers needs to be multiplied. This is the third one. Simply in a line we are seeing. Okay, there is nothing like third thing only it should be, fourth only it should be. This, when the numbers, when this A and B, the base one, are like this in the form of division. Here we should not take negatives and all. So this power, A power n, it belongs to both the bases. This power belongs to A power n also, B power n also. These laws and all already formed. I have not formed the law. Already there. Just we have to follow that. For example, if a fraction is like this, 2 by 3, the whole power 3. If a number is like this, then two by 3, the whole power 3, in that case, base is 2, power is 3. Base is 3, this B, power is again 3. 2 power 3 by 3 power 3. This only can be written like this. 2 by 3, the whole power 3, where the power is 3. The base is 2 and 3, 2 by 3. So this power belongs to both the numbers. 2 power 3, 3 power 3. Finding the value means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3. So like that it is. Anything power 0. is 1. That is one law. A power 0 is 1. Like that, any base, it can be 8 power 0, what power 1000 power 0, anything. When the power is a 0, the value of that particular thing is 1. Always. 1000 power 0, 100 power 0, all 1. Then if the power is negative, we have to bring it as a positive and we need to solve. So this is 1 by a power n. This will go down. The numerator 1, when we write as a reciprocal, that is 1 by, we need to. If this number alone is there, what is the meaning? This is divided by 1 is there. The reciprocal of it. When the negative sign number will go in the denominator, it will become positive sign. Okay? A power minus n means 1 by a power n. Then we need to solve that. For example, a power 5, a power no need, 5 power minus 2. If a number is with the base 5 with the power negative, this is 1 by this number positive, 5 power 2. The power will become positive. Understood what I'm telling? Then 1 by, if this is the exponential form, value means 1 by 25. 5 5s are 25. 1 by 25. So the power is negative. Bring that to the denominator. The power will become positive. Then to solve. This and all we will see everything. All the numbers, laws related one. In the exercise it's there. Now just examples. And all these examples are given in the textbook also. Yes, reciprocal, the power will become positive, according to the law of exponent. Then, here and there, all the laws over. These all are given in page 20, 21, 22, 23. For example, let us see one different example like this. For example, 7 power 3 divides 7 power 5. One example sum is there to solve like this. Then how to solve? 7 is the base. Okay. 3 divides, division symbol is there, means what to do? We need to subtract the powers. 3 minus 5. 1 is 3, 1 is 5. So we need to subtract that. 3 minus 5. Understood? So 7 is the base. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay. 5 minus 3, 2. That's okay. Greater number sign. So minus 2. Very important is this. Now negative power, what we told? 1 by 7 power 2. According to the laws, it is like this. The inverse thing will go down, will become positive. The powers. Now 1 by 7 power 2. That is 1 by 7 sevens are 49. 1 by 49. This is the answer. Exponential form means we can stop here. Value means here. So like this way. Should not change 5 minus 3. Don't change by yourself. It is 3 minus 5 only. Negative means it will come down. The power will become positive. In case of, we are talking about laws of exponents. For powers only we are talking. Okay? Yes. How it will come? The same like this only. 5 power negative 2, 5 power minus 2. It will come down, it will become positive. Same like this question only. Now, like this one example. These all are book examples. 5 power 5. Laws all we have told. Based on all those laws only, we will be doing. By applying the laws, we will do. Before that, some models we are going through. these type of models, when you go through, exercise sum will be still more easier. Exercise also we have this. Everything is there in exercise. This is example sum. Similar to that of that, still more easier will be. 5 power 5, okay. Power form, this is power form. This is normal form. When the number is like this normally, we should try to make it also power form. Then only we can apply laws of exponents. We cannot apply for an integer and a base and a power number. Like an exponential number and a normal number, we cannot apply law. For applying the laws, we need both to be as the same format only. So this we copy. This how can I write? How shall I write? Now, 25, how to write? Tell me. Power form. Easy. 25 power 1 na. That is 5 power 2. See ma, base is 5 da. So here also 5. 5 power 2. 5 power 2 is 5 5 are 25. Yes, like that we should write. Should not write 25 power 1. One is 5, another one is 25. Base also different. Powers also different. There is no use. I cannot apply any law. When we do, we should apply the laws. So this is 5 power 2. 5 5 are 25. They will give the number like that only. Here 6 they will not give. They know that this number is a square of this 5. So they will give like that. If they give 6 here in the question, they will give 36 here. Understood? Then 6 power 2 like that will be. Don't worry about that. So 5 and 5, the base are same. Now 5, multiplication symbol, adding the powers. 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 5 power 7. Now this both I did and I copied. This number I will copy. 5 power 3 I copied. Now again this division law. Here I applied was multiplication law. Now I am going to apply this one. So 5 power. If I write here, you will say board not visible. So I am writing here. 5 and 5, 5. Division symbol, 7 minus 3, 4. Directly you can write. So 5 power 4 is the answer in exponential form. So like this way, we need to solve by taking this 25 as 5 power 2. Then these both are having same base and a multiplication symbol, which means we need to add the powers. So we have added. Then this number I copied. Now these both are same base. So again same law. When the bases are same, powers are different, division symbol, then minus. The power should be subtracted. 10 minus 3, 4, 5 power 4. Again, this is an example sum only in page number 24. This is in page 24. Okay, this is all we have seen. Still more example sums are there that we will see here and there in our worksheet examinations and all. I will pick out the sum from the example and I will give. Now let us enter into the exercise. Exercise 2.1. Based on these laws only, we have first exercise. Fully based on the laws. About books and all, I don't know, ma. Principal ma'am only knows. Second exercise is about scientific notation. Like writing large numbers in power form. Scientific form. That is also easy. Last year we had that also. That is second exercise. Only 2 exercises are there for this chapter. The easiest chapter of our textbook is this powers and exponents. Only 2 exercises. Both are very easy. The easiest chapter of our entire book. Find the value of the following. 1 A, B, C, D are there. 1 C and D I will do. A and B I have rounded. That is the homework sum. All sum similar. All same model. One word answer. Yes, if we understand the law, we can get puzzle. That by practice only we'll understand the laws. Now tell me, you know the laws. Tell me what is the answer for this. Yes, ma. It is easy, Harihara Sudan. You type the answer for this. Yes, very good. Harish, Fazil Ahmad, Sheikh Ali, Kasturi, all correct. According to the law, any Kasturi again don't type 111. One time type, that is enough. I could see that. So anything power 0, A power 0, B power 0, anything power 0, 1. So the answer is 1. This is one sum. Okay. 2 power 4. You will like this exercise very much because the easiest one. Now this also you can solve. This is the question. D question. A and B I kept for you to do. Like this question. Okay. Now, yes, easy. Correct. Many of you now itself you got the answer. That's all. 4 minus 2, one step I will write. Because division symbol is there, subtracting. So 2 power 2. Exponential form itself, keep it. If they ask value, they have asked the value, correct. Value if they ask, we have to. The question is, find the value. 2 power 2, 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 is the answer. If they ask, write in exponential form, you should stop here. If they ask like this question, find the value of the following. Value means you have to do. So, 2 power 2, 2 2s are 4. Nothing. Multiplication only is called finding the value. When we multiply the number. So, 1, C and D we completed. Let us move on to the question 2. Evaluate the following. A, B, C, D. 2 I will do. Yes. A and D. A question. Because homeworks are a must. According to me, half of the sum you have to do, it is a must for practice. Now, I will write here. 5 power minus 2. What to do? What I told you. When negative power means, first step is to make it positive. Then only we can solve. So 5 power 2, what I told you? 5. Like this. Reciprocal of that number. When the power is negative, 1 by that thing, that power. 1 by the base and the power. Now what is the value for this? 1 by 5 power 2 is 5 5 za. 5 5 za 25. This is the answer. 1 by 25. Easy or easy. Negative. Anything I can give in the exam. Okay? You want to do homework, do homework. Which sums and all, I am not doing in classwork, that all sums remaining one homework. 5 power negative. So 1 by 5 power positive. 1 by 5 5 is 25. 1 by 25. You can do. Now itself you take any of your long size notebook and start doing from the first exercise. Which sum we did not cover here. That sums all homework. But you must have the textbook. Do you have the textbook in your classroom? Do you have the link for the textbook? If you have that, you can do. Yes. So let them first post the textbook for you. Then only you can do now. Every day I cannot be giving the sums, no? Question. You need a textbook for that. Then only I can say 1A, 2, B, 3, C like that. Okay, let it come. So 2A we completed. Let us do 2D. With this sum, we will end up the class. We will do 2D so that we can start the third sum tomorrow. 2 power 4. 2 power 4 multiplied by 2 power minus 2. One is positive, one is negative. Okay, let it be. Anyway, according to the laws of exponents, base is same, 2 is 2 only. Yes. Harihara is correct only. Multiplication symbol means nothing, adding only. So no sign change, nothing. 4 minus 2. Just I am adding. Even though I'm saying I'm adding, but I will subtract. Why I will subtract? Because the sign are like that. Sign is negative. If the sign is positive too, I'm going to add. But it is like this. So 4 minus 2 directly I must write. That's all. So 2 power 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 power 2. 2 times 4 is the answer. 2 2s are 4. That's all. So just we are adding the powers. One is 4, one is 2. Yes. We change to positive and right. Positive means multiplication means positive trinity. We must not change anything. If division symbol is there, then minus of minus 2 like that we'll get. In that case, it is positive, so no sign change. Direct we should do. According to the sign, 4 minus 2, 2. So 2 power 2, 2 2s are 4. Like that. So this is the answer.